How to log out or sign out of Walmart.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily sign out or log out of Walmart in just a couple of minutes. So let's get started. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in walmart.com in the URL box and make sure you're inside this homepage of Walmart. If you're using a public device and you'd like to sign out of yourself, then all you need to do is to go to the top right corner of the screen and click on this account name and click on this account button, and in the pop-up you'll see a sign out option. Before signing out of your account, make sure you remember your password and your email that is associated with walmart.com so that you can get access back to your account later whenever you prefer. If you're sure you'd like to log out, click the sign out button and you'll be logged out of the walmart.com account in no time. So that's how simple it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.